Good evening, Bang. Please unmute yourself once you're ready, Bang. Good evening, Bang. Hi, Bang. I can't hear you, Bang. Can you speak up, Bang? Are you there, Bang? Hello, Bang. It's wonderful to see you again, Bang. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling, Meg? Are you okay, Meg? I think you are sleepy now.
No,
Oh, no, you're
no.
not. Okay. What did you do today, Meg? What did you do today? Did you play with your brother? Did you go to school? Did you go to the park? What happened today, Meg? Hi, Meg. Hello, Meg. Meg? What did you do today?
Hôm nay bạn đã làm gì?
Đi học school.
Oh, I see. You went to school. Okay. And are you answering your homework now? Are you doing homework? Are you
Uh,
answering your homework right now?
Bạn đang làm bài tập về nhà ngay bây giờ phải không?
no,
Oh, no, you're not. Okay. Let
I'm not on work.
Oh, you don't have a homework. Good to know that, Meng. Now let us focus and let's start this activity, Meng. So again, we will be talking about classes, right? And we are already in this page, Meng. Okay, the first one, Meng, we have karate class. Karate class. Okay, we have karate class, dance class, swimming class, and English class. Okay. Again, Meng, can you tell me what class is this, Meng? What class is this? Meng? What is it, Meng?
Eat rock. I don't know.
What class is this? What class is it?
I don't know.
It's karate class, Meng. Karate class. Again, it's karate class, Meng. Karate class. Can you say karate class?
Karate class.
What about this one, Meng? What class is it?
Ballet.
It's not
Zumba.
ballet. Okay, it's dance class. Dance class. Dance class, Meg. What? Yes, this one is
Swim.
dance.
Swim.
Swimming class.
Swimming class.
Swimming class. And the last one, hi, how are you? What class do you think is this?
It's okay.
It's it's
Something. I don't know.
what subject is it?
It's okay.
English class. English class. English class. Okay?
English class.
Yes, English class. Okay, remember that, Meng. Again, karate class, dance class, swimming class, and English class. Okay, now let us have this one. We have here their names, Meng, as you can see, Danny, Julie, Mike, Jay, Emma, Carla. And we also have the classes they have, as well as the days wherein they go to each class. In here, Meng, you have to make a sentence. Like, for example, Danny goes to karate class on Mondays. Okay? Danny goes to karate class on Mondays. Can you make a sentence again for the first one, Meng? Make a sentence for each sentence following the given example.
Hãy viết một câu tương ứng với mỗi câu đã cho dựa trên ví dụ đã cho.
Danny. What to karate today?
On Mondays, Meng.
On Monday.
Now what about for two, Meng? Two.
Julie eat that today.
Goes. Julie goes.
Go today.
Okay, can you say it again? Julie goes. What is it, Meng? Julie goes. Meng? Julie goes to. Julie goes to
Dan.
dance class, Meng. Don't just say dance, Meng. Dance class. When?
Dan. Eat
What is it?
Dan.
Julie goes to dance class on. On. Look at the picture, Meng. It's in there, Meng. Look at the given example. Julie goes to dance class on. When does she go to dance class, Meng? Is your connection okay, Meng? Hi, Meng. Can you speak? Welcome back, Meng. So now let me share my screen again and let us continue. Okay, again, Meng, can you tell me your sentence for the second picture, Meng? Can you tell me your sentence for the second picture? Look at the second picture.
Julie eat
Mhm.
dance.
Julie goes. Can you say Julie goes to? Julie goes to dance class on when, Meg?
On what?
On when does a Julie go to dance class? Julie goes to dance class on
On
on what is it, Meg? On Tuesdays. Tuesdays, Meg. Julie goes to dance class on Tuesdays. Now, what about for 3, Meg? 3. Look at picture 3, Meg. Look at picture 3. Please focus so we can answer more activities tonight.
Hãy tập trung để chúng ta có thể trả lời thêm nhiều câu hỏi về các hoạt động tối nay.
yeah.
Okay, can you tell me your answer for 3, Meg? What is your answer for 3, Meg? You tell me your answer for 3, Mike?
Uh,
Mike?
my is sim.
Mike goes. Mike goes. Mike goes to swimming
My
class on. Mike goes to swimming class on
my
when?
goes
Yes, Meg. Mike goes to swimming class on
uh
on when? When does he go to
when
swimming class? When does he go to swimming class, Meg? When does he go to swimming class?
Cậu ấy đi học bơi lúc mấy giờ?
in Monday. Is
Monday?
today.
On
You Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday, Meg. Wednesdays. Okay, Wednesdays. Now, next one, Meg, we'll have 4. Look at picture 4, Meg. Look at picture 4. Can you tell me your answer for this one? What are you doing?
Bạn đang làm gì thế?
I don't know. Jay is
Goes.
school.
J goes to. What class is this, Meg? What class is this?
Is
Look at the picture, Meg. What class is it? Is it dance class, English class, swimming class, or karate class?
is class.
What is it, Meg?
No.
English class, Meg. That's why I told you to focus, Meg. Only when you are focused will you be able to answer this one, Meg. Because we don't have options here. You have to construct your own sentences. Okay? Please focus, Meg. Eyes on the screen, Meg. J
Jay
goes to
go to school.
English.
English.
English class, Meng, on when? When does he
When?
go to English class?
English school.
Look at the picture, Meng. Jay goes to English class on
Đây is English class is Tuesday. Emma is swimming. Is
not Emma is swimming.
Thursday.
Emma goes to
Tyler là is swim.
see you are not
Dan
following the structure now.
Dan is Saturday.
Okay, it's not like that, Meg. We don't form sentences like that, Meg. That's why you have to follow the given example, Meg. I told you to observe, right? And you are doing your own thing. Okay, Jay goes to English class on Thursdays. As you can see here, Meg, all you have to do is to change the name, the class, and the day. All you have to do is to change the name, the class, and the days.
Bạn chỉ cần thay đổi tên, lớp học và ngày tháng.
Now, moving on to 5, Meng. Can you focus, Meng, and tell me the answer for 5? Emma
Emma swim.
goes
Emma go swim.
to swimming
Swimming is further.
class on Fridays. Okay, on Fridays. Now, what about the last one, Meng? Last one. Carla
Carla go through
continue, Meng. Carla goes to
swim.
dance.
Go to dance
Class? Dance class, Meg. Not just dance, Meg. Carla goes to dance class. Can you continue, Meg?
class. Wait.
I can't hear you, Meg.
Then me. Uh, 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 uh. Kala dance
Goes
class.
to dance class?
Go to dance class on Saturday.
Okay, Saturdays, Meg, on Saturdays. Okay, yes, there you have it. And it's done now. So let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so when does he or she go to karate class? He or she goes to karate class on Tuesdays. Now, can you tell me, Meg, when does she go to karate class? When does she go to karate class, Meg?
Uh, it karate class.
She goes.
She go
She
to
goes to karate class on. She goes. Yes, Meg. Yes, Meg. I can't hear. Welcome back, Meg. Welcome back, Meg. Now let us
camera.
continue. Can you see me now?
Camera is teacher.
Yes. Okay. Now, Meg, when does she go to karate class? When does she go to karate class, Meg? When does she go to karate class?
Uh,
She. I can see that your connection is unstable tonight, Meg. Okay. She goes to karate class on Tuesdays. She goes to karate class on Tuesdays. Okay, now next one, Meg. I want you to answer this one on your own. When does she go to swimming class? When does she go to swimming class?
He went to karate class on Tuesday.
Yes, that's right, Meg. When does she go to swimming class?
He go to swimming class on Tuesday.
Okay, Thursdays.
He
When
go to dancing class to
on
she go to the dancing class
dance class?
on Friday.
Fridays.
Friday. He go to karate on Monday.
Class on Mondays. Okay,
He go,
now, Meng, we'll just continue the rest next meeting. Okay, so you can relax now, Meng, and I hope next time you will be
bye
more
bye
focused.
teacher.
Goodbye, Meng.